fun? Show me your hands. Are they paint? Do they have paint? What color?
Red.
Red and green and purple. Keep painting. Show mommy. Such a big girl. Look at me. Aubrielle, look. Look at the camera. Can you try one more time? I'm gonna get you. I love you, baby. Aubrielle, look at mom. I love you.
Love you too much.
Thank you. What color are you doing now? Orange?
Yes.
What other color is on there? What color is this?
Yellow.
Right. What color is this?
Pink.
Pink. That's right. What color is this one?
Green.
Right. Excellent work.
Uh-oh.
That's okay.
What's this?
Yeah. Good job.